Hello student, today we are going to learn what is master pattern. Master pattern used in casting. We know pattern is used to form a cavity on the damp sand or wet sand. This cavity is filled with molten metal to form a casting. Okay. When the number of casting to be produced is small and the pattern size is large, then wooden patterns are used. Okay, mainly wooden pattern are used. Wooden pattern is affected by moisture. Wooden pattern tends to bend or distorted, being light in weight. Wooden pattern less durable and wear out rapidly. So wooden pattern use mainly 1 or 2 times. Okay. When large number of casting have to be produced from the same pattern, we use metal pattern. Okay. Because metal pattern are stronger and accurate as compared to wooden pattern. Okay. Metal pattern possesses longer life than wooden pattern. Metal pattern not distorted or bent. Okay. Metal pattern surface finish is very good. Then when number of casting is more, then we use metal pattern. Okay. Now we know that in mass production metallic patterns are used to produce cast part. Okay. The metallic pattern is again made by casting. Okay. This pattern used to make mold cavity for casting. This metallic pattern is called master pattern. This metallic pattern is called master pattern. Master pattern is generally made from wood. Okay. Plaster of Paris, that is quick setting compound, is also used for making master pattern. Okay. For example, an aluminum pattern is to be made which is to be used further for making mold for brass casting. Okay, here aluminum pattern is the master pattern. Okay. Now, in master pattern, double sinkage or contraction allowance is to be kept on a master pattern, because there is not only a contraction in the product metal when cast, but there is also a contraction in the metal used to make the metallic pattern. Okay, it is clear, my student, what is master pattern used for casting? Okay, thank you.